you animal on the other side. Nice. I would want some of this. Some second dessert with some super green.
Second breakfast.
Oh yeah, breakfast. So we had this, but then they changed it. It became kind of a restaurant. Now it's called just Lido. Yeah, I hope that you get some. Good deal. Look at that. She's her head's covered in her hands. This is not finished yet.
Yeah, we're getting the
Probably somewhere. Unless it is not the season. It's there. Oh, I may have changed some settings. You change it back. But if you want to get it right, you can put your own AV and try the same thing. Yeah. It's there. It's there. You see that one? There's one there.
It's going to.
Yes, that's what I did.
lady statue.
You have to put the lens through the hole. That's what you want. That's what. But it's second. I see some curtains. Maybe some numbers.
They just have to clean up this thing and put something more beautiful.
Yeah, you want
There's
to.
another plan to do that. Maybe we don't care. Because they're not interested in
At the ladies there.
Now take a picture of the people that need to do.
My eyesight, when I discovered the other side of
See the stripe black rose?
which one?
Very nice. The shiny black marble.
You can go get it if you want. You just have to walk in the sun. Not what I would dream of.
I think for the flowers, we're kind of a most-populous.
Well, I'm not here for the flowers. Don't know about you, but I'm here for the sun.
You want to go to Baraka?
Any place you can sit and have a drink, it's fine. It's too hot to. Am I not carrying the bottle?
I'll go there.
Oh. Go this way. Because then it can make this place small. So it's kind of like the.
I think what the problem again is that
unless you want to go to one that on the lake with me.
What is this?
Where you from?
I'm from everywhere.
Very nice. How much?
How much?
What you want?
I need something bigger.
Something. Come here in that one. I show you. We from England.
why?
Yeah, no problem. I have here. have brown color, I have black. Yes, no.
She always decides.
Right.